Just know so they move there. And now do it again.
I mean, I tell you, you're under deep agreement. There you get on back in here, you see it?
Just between me, is it?
Yo, Vicious. You don't know, say Morris I give butcher bun, brother. Yo, me a come link you. Hey, sapping. Yeah, man. With a countryman, I hear when you. You, Bert. You ever hear them name there yet? Brother, me a come link you. No. Hey, sir.
Sure, look how long you gone away. And every week you're so forward and I can't get a definite answer. Oh, so because him sick now, that means you're not going to come back home. I know say your father, but that no means you don't have a business and a man to come back home to. So that means if you just sit down here and go and wait. That I say. Alright, sure. Cool. I say nothing, man. We talk later.
Vicious, how deal with Jenna?
Them there ain't no bad, bro.
We think, Papa?
Yeah. Think you did go forward yesterday when you shot me.
Well, you know I'm going to deal with some little thing for Ashley. I know you're back to school right around the corner and forward. Side. You couldn't tell me, say, I saw me sit down.
I did not talk about back to school, me nah tell you for what you back to. I want to tell you say I see me too, you know, bro. I've got to deal with something for me youth for back to school, you see, pre?
Don't know what we have to do, you know, brother.
I really swear, bro.
So, brother, I go on with her. She now forward back on the ground.
I want to tell you say I just come off her phone with her too, you know. She claimed to say her father sick, so she have to dead with him.
Claim, say. So, what? You don't believe her?
I don't say no believe her. But this has gone too long now, brother. Time me link her or something else.
Brother, that thing I stay, she want to stay up there. And she don't know how to say it here.
Anything possible, brother. People are just people, you see it? But if I that she are dealing, she should just say it.
Well, maybe she just try to work it out. How she going to say it here.
Just go and do my thing still, you know, brother. Because woman too confusing more while, you see it? Anything she do, brother. How you say go on with Butcher, you know?
Brother, the reason you can't go and punch your throat, bad man. Here what? Line up on your feet, but you see me? Put something on your little piece of ice.
So, no.
Brother, Morris a fine man a country.
Country what?
Name Hubert.
What you say? You who? Or a Yahoo?
Man, I respect. Hubert, brother. Me know that name, me no common, but a countryman.
So, brother, what you say to me? A brother when you you, Bert, take a butcher woman?
You know, I don't think it's really serious still, you know, because as far as what I say, she still love butcher.
So, wait there. So, what you plan to do? You not got a country for you, man.
So what you think me tell him, say? Tell him make we go a country go turn Hubert in a you dirt.
To make him splurt like him up on skirt. You ready?
Now say him dep on a different part. But I'm not deal with them thing there again, we feel love that.
So, you say badness shibble down? So, you have to turn pastor?
It looks so, you know, like him turn Christian for real. I want to tell you, say him start all a new restaurant business.
Restaurant? Which part of that then?
You know, right up on the main road.
Right on the front there, sir. So it is, you know, tell the man saying can't make them move the brother. No pan the main, no they saying get shot bad man.
Eh. Tell him, man. But you must say hole, you know. I can feel like some man now will come full him up a hole.
So brother, which part you get money for start restaurant?
Nah, ask him that, you know. Because I don't want to look like me I get too enough up in his business. But me that pretty same thing.
So wait then. You know ask him about who him did a link with?
Yeah. But him a go around it. I say him no want to talk about that.
You know we have to go find out about that by ourselves though.
I get a license plate link on the car we do the drive-by now. So you see as soon as we get that, I take it from there. Sir.
Yeah man. Cause we can't just day as and not do nothing about it, brother.
Especially like how the election are forward.
That me a pray, brother. Cause them time as some man pray for you to run up in a man place in a bad man.
You know the next thing I'm going to pray to, brother. I know which one I got link ranking, you know.
That can look good in a brother. Cause you know say ranking I go pray. And then good all pray with too.
We can under no payments. Don't sort that out already. I him me I worry about.
Can't worry about a man when I worry about himself still in a brother.
It's like him no concern say the man them will forward to take him out.
I take out who him apart with too.
That I'm concerned about.
They make the link with Miss Preset them about our situation.
You know me I wait for a whisper to link me back about that.
From them time the bad man.
Brother, remember say them workload turn up now, you know.
Yeah, but if you our safety brother. Can't just day as I wait like Bob Marley without the eye trees.
You know something? I give him a page today and remind him.
It maker. See couple new face I put up some posters about here, you know, brother. Me I tell you the truth, me not like that thing.
Posters for the next side.
Nah man. For your side we run off boy. Yeah. But me just not like seeing new face them when me not know bad man.
So you approach them.
What you mean? Can ask that brother? Them a talk about say the MP tell them to put them up boy. Yeah. We make sure tell them make the MP make some youth boy. Yeah. Put them up, no matter try that.
Alright. I fix that thing I will whisper them. Cause you can't expect a politician them to pass through like our election time, you know, with some new face.